Oh, there's ETCs popping up.
We've got some unauthorized people entering the base. Wait, they got ET. They're getting away. Unit 3, cut them off.
All right, this is so cool.
The orange light.
This is so cool.
I see them. Come on, let's go.
Oh no!
Let's go, E.T.
Oh!
We're flying, we're flying.
Hold it right there. Whoa!
We're on a bicycle.
Got him. Bottom of the hill.
Watch it. Get away. Look, they're flying.
Whoa! That's us.
It's so cool.
Whoa! Uh-oh.
E.T. Go to Tickly. Hurry.
E.T. go home. Tickly. Ouch. Welcome home. You'll be Poor guy.
Welcome home. You
Magdo.
You have saved our planet! Come, celebrate with us!
Whoa! The baby ETs!
Al's like, are we getting wet? Oh, they're so cute. What? No, we're not.
Goodbye, Ellie, Eva, Douglas, Veronica,
Dad got this?
Your first time riding ET, what did you think?
Awesome.
Yeah? What was your favorite part?
When E.T. met his family and we got to go to like beautiful wonder.
That was pretty cool. If you enjoyed that video, why not throw Dad a good old like and subscribe and do the notification thing? Or leave me a comment about what your favorite part of this video was. That would really help Dad out. And you can go check out one of these other videos. I'm sure they're fantastic. I mean, I made them, so I'm pretty sure they're fantastic. All right. Yeah, do that stuff.